Hello guys, Suresh here. Welcome back to Automation eLearn. So we are in the discussion of how to revert the changes while working on Git. So guys, before that we have already discussed first three topics where we saw like how to revert the changes from Git working area, from Git staging area, and once we perform Git commit operation. So that we have already seen in our previous discussion. Today I'm going to discuss about how to revert the changes once we perform git push operation. It means I want to revert the changes from my remote repository. So let's understand this practically. So I am on my git repository. I'm on master branch of my repository here, and let me check log. So here we have 3 commits, and my third commit is a part of remote repository. That's why we are seeing origin/master, because that has been pushed to my remote repository using git push command. And now my intention is to remove the commit or remove the changes that was done as a part of commit 954. So guys, let's understand why somebody needs to remove the commit after git push operation. So let's consider a scenario like you made some changes, you pushed your changes to remote repository, and after that it's failing somewhere, it's causing some issue somewhere on further environments. In this case you have two options: either pinpoint the problem and make the changes, fix the change on your local and push that changes to remote repository again, so that in the next build it will fix. So that can be one quick fix only if you know what piece of code is causing that issue, right? And another issue is like if you're not sure why this issue is occurring and you are not able to locate that file quickly within the given time period, then you have last option is like, okay, you can revert your changes. So these are the scenarios where you may need to revert. So the command which is going to help here is revert, git revert, and we need to pass the commit ID. So let's give this. So I need to give a instruction like git revert and this particular commit. So what exactly it will do? So guys, it will not exactly remove this particular commit. Instead what it will do is it will revert the changes which were part of this particular commit. Suppose I have added new file as a part of this commit, so it will revert that file and make new commit for the revert process, because in git every changes will have some commit ID, right? It is reverting my new file which was added as a part of this commit 81C. So it is reverting that file, and that revert process, revert action will have new commit itself. So here I am asking git to revert my commit starting with 81C, and let's see what happens. So as soon as I hit enter, it's showing me the prompt where I need to provide commit message. As I said, any changes in the git will be recorded in the form of commit ID. So for that process, for that action, it's asking me a message. What should be the commit message for this action? So it has by default given here revert third commit. I want to go with that. Let's save this file. And yeah, revert process is completed now. And here as we can see, it's showing us commit message that we have given, and it also giving us information like what changes has been done. Let's again check log, and here if you see, I still have 81C third commit in the list, which was this one, and it made a new commit with the commit message revert third commit, and it has new commit ID. And here earlier 81C was my head, so now head is pointing to new commit, and earlier 81C was showing as origin master. It means this particular commit was a part of remote repository, and here 81C is showing as the same, but for new commit it's not showing origin master because we have not pushed it yet. We made some changes in my local. It will not reflect to remote repository unless we push this change, right? So git status would not have anything, but still we need to perform git push operation to push the changes that we have done to revert the commit. So git push, and again now if I'll check status, here you can see my new commit with the message revert third commit is now part of my remote repository, and head is also pointing to this particular commit. This is how we can revert the changes from remote repository. So few of you might be thinking like we could have easily used reset command, git reset and head -1 like we discussed in part 3 to revert the commit from repository. So guys, reset command would revert your commit itself from your local repository. If your commit is not pushed to remote repository, till that time you can use reset to revert your commit. So reset will not help here, because if you try to do so, then it will make changes to your local repository, and as soon as you try to push the changes to remote repository, then it will throw errors. So at the end, let's review the behavior of revert command. First of all, revert command is used to revert the changes from the remote repository, and it will not exactly revert the commit, but it will take the changes which were part of the commit and it will make a new commit for the revert action. So this is how revert command works. So guys, this conclude our fourth and last scenario about reverting the changes while working on Git. So guys, these are the 4 important topics, and if you are facing any interview, then I'm sure you will get a couple of questions from these area, because if you really worked on Git, then you should know how these commands works, and for what scenario we can use what commands, and the exact behavior of the command is also important. So if you understand these 4 topics very well, then you can answer the questions clearly from these areas. So that's it guys for this video, and let me know in case of any questions or any doubt in the comment section. Thank you.